Hey viewers, welcome back to Rack Tutorials. So here in this video I have come upon with the topic solar system. Are you lost in space? Well, can't remember the name of planets in their order? Okay, all you need to do is just say this sentence. My very energetic mother just served us noodle. Here, all you need to do is just pick up the first letter of every word and you are done with it. In which M refers to Mercury, V Venus, E Earth, M Mars, J Jupiter, S Saturn, U Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, if you are finding it difficult to learn this sentence, then don't worry, here is another one for you. My very educated mom just showed us nest. Now, let me tell you, where is the Pluto? Pluto is no more a planet. In August 2006, the International Astronomical Union had downgraded the Pluto by giving the status of dwarf planet. So therefore, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, do like, subscribe, share and comment what you want to see next.